Welcome to my channel. In this video, we are going to consider this question here on the board. We have here E4 into 2 to the power of n minus 2 equals 32 to the power of n. We have to find the value of m divided by n. We have a solution. I come down here with the question. We have 4 into 2m minus 2 equals 32 to the power of n. Here, the first thing we need to consider is for us to express both sides of the equation in the same verse. Then, we are going to express 4 here in base 2. We have 2 to the power of 2. That gives us 4. Then into 2m into 2 to the power of n minus 2 equals 32 to base 2 will give us 2 to the power of 5. Then multiply by n. Then now, in indices, when the bases are the same, we add the powers. Then here, we are going to add the powers here, since we have base 2 and base 2 here. When I solve, this become 2 to the power of m minus 2 plus 2 equals 2 to the power of 5n. Now, if you add this, you are going to have here that 2 minus 2 plus 2, this is gone, and we have 2 to the power of m equals 2 to the power of 5n. Now, since the bases are the same, we are going to equate the powers. Then as such, we have here that m equals 5n. Then what are you going to do now is for us to divide both sides by n. Then we have here that m divided by n equals 5n divided by n. Then here, n, we eliminate n. Therefore, m over n equals 5. And this is the value of m over n. That's what's required. See you in the next video. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel for more math solutions.